Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei device to OPPO Find X2 Neo. Begin by opening App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on OPPO. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Huawei. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Huawei and Receive next to it on OPPO. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. On OPPO, you need to scroll down, select one of those options, and finally, click on Close this window. As you can see, following that, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, then choosing, while using the app or only this time, in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!